Namaste guys. In this video, we are going to learn how to create this typewriting effect in React. So let's start. First thing that I need to create a folder. So typing, you know, it's just a folder name. You can give any name as per your requirement. Okay, create a new folder and give the name typing and click select folder. Now, what I will do, I will go to the terminal, click on new terminal, and I will install React npx create react app dot. There is currently trend going on for Next.js, so tell me whether you want to see everything in Next.js or React. I will do as per your input. Okay. Meanwhile, let it install. As you can see, it installed. So what I have to do is I have to first go here and type npm start. So this is how it looks like. Now let's start working on it. So first question that comes to your mind, how should you approach this problem? So what I will do, I will create a component and use something called props, and I will use that to make this thing so that it will be beneficial for you and I can easily use it again and again. So let's remove all this garbage because I don't need it. Press Ctrl S. Oh, there's a header here. Remove it. Press Ctrl S and let's see how does our app look like. So this is how it looks like. Now, first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new component and call it typing effect. Since I'm going to create just a single one, so I'm not going to create a folder, or let's create a folder, industry standards. Ah, typing effect, okay, typing effect.js. So type RAFCE, you can see it's automatically done it. Just in case if you are wondering what kind of add-on or plugin I am using, simply click on extensions and I will show you what I am using. So I'm using these ones. Okay, so use these to make that RFC working. Okay, now first I have to make some, you know I need to use some two states, use state and use effect. So use state basically store my text and use effect to do for my typing animation. So let's type const displayed text set displayed text equal to use state. Notice it automatically adds up. That is basically what I want. And here, because I'm going to add my props text, and I will create something called use effect. It's also add up. So let's start working with it. So let's say let I equal to 0. I recommend, if you want to understand the explanation how does this code work, I highly recommend please check out my blog link in description, because it is easier for me to explain there, and if I do explanation, the video length will be go quite long and most viewers don't like to watch. Enjoy the song.